Hi, and welcome everybody to SCM's new tooltip videos. My name is Ole Carstensen, and in this new series of video clips, me and my colleagues at SCM will share with you some of our favorite little tips, tricks and hacks that can make your life as a computational chemist easier when using the ADF Modeling Suite. And in this first episode, I would like to show you my favorite way to import molecular and periodic structures into ADF input. So let's start by opening up ADF jobs. Then via the SCM drop-down menu, go to ADF input to bring up a new ADF input window. Here we go. Now, the easiest way to create molecular structures is, of course, by just using our standard drawing tools. But for any, say, bigger structure or more complicated structure, this is, of course, quite cumbersome, drawing all the molecular structure by yourself. And for very huge extended structures, this is, I would say, impossible. So I will not talk about this drawing functionality. I'm sure all of you know about that anyways. So let me just remove this again. Instead, I would like to demo another way of opening molecular structures. And I have the Wikipedia entry of aspirin here. And if you scroll down on the right, you can find a smile string of aspirin. And that is what I'm looking for now, because I will just select the smile string with my mouse, then right-click, copy to clipboard. Sorry for the text that was Dutch there. It was just the standard copy command in Dutch. And now open up ADF input again. Just left-click into the molecular view window. Once is enough. Then go to Edit and paste and wait for it. There's our aspirin. Now this is, I think, a very elegant and fast way to get your molecular structures into ADF input. Let me just remove the aspirin again and show to you that this also works for periodic structures, for ZIF files namely. So I have something prepared here in my tooltips folder that I created. I already downloaded a ZIF file which contains a sulfur structure from the American Crystallographic Database. And I just opened this in an editor here. This is Notepad. Or just open the text file, then hit Ctrl-A to select all the content in this file, and then again use the right mouse button, copy the contents to your clipboard, go back to ADF input. Now I want to change to something that actually supports periodicity. ADF is a molecular code. Let's just pick ReaxFF. Click once into the molecule view window and then go to Edit, Paste, and wait for it. There is our periodic alpha sulfur structure now. You can see the periodic bonds. I will display the lattice vectors anyway so that you can see that this is a 3D periodic structure now. It was upside down, sorry. So you can see the lattice vectors here, the structure. You can display several cells if you want to, or just one unit cell. So this is a very nice and elegant way to get your molecular structures into ADF input. So this was our first tooltip video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you would like to know more about the ADF Modeling Suite or get a 1 month free trial version of the ADF Suite, then just follow the links in the description below this video. Until then, I wish you a happy and productive modeling and see you in the next episode of our 5-minute tooltip videos.